Imagine this. What if you could create an AI influencer that looks completely real, can change outfits, copy viral poses, and even turn into full videos with natural motion? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step using simple free tools that anyone can use. And more importantly, by the end of this video, you'll also learn how to turn this into real income. So, watch until the end. First, we need a reference influencer image. This image acts as a starting point. It helps the AI understand the style, pose, and overall look we want to create. So, go to platforms like Google or Pinterest and search for influencer models. Take your time here. Don't just download the first image you see. Instead, choose a model that looks clean, natural, and high quality, because better input always gives better output. Once you find one you like, download the image. Next, we're going to create our own AI influencer. For this step, I use Gemini. Here's what I do. First, I upload the image we just downloaded. Then, I give a simple prompt asking the AI to generate a new influencer with a different face, but still keep it realistic. Make sure you tell the AI to keep natural skin texture, realistic lighting, and human-like details. Because if your character looks fake, people will notice immediately and they won't engage with your content. But if it looks real, that's when things start to work. And just like that, you now have your base character. Now, instead of creating just one image, we want to create variations and even turn it into a video. So, what do? We go to TikTok or Instagram and find a trending reel, because trends already have attention. If you copy the style and motion, your chances of going viral increase. Once you find a video you like, download it. Then, pause the video at the very beginning and take a screenshot of the first frame. This frame is important because it gives us the exact starting pose and outfit. Now, go back to Gemini. Upload both images, the AI influencer you created, and the screenshot from the reel. Then, give a prompt asking the AI to recreate your influencer in the same pose and outfit as the reel. It keeps your character consistent, but matches it perfectly to trending content. If you want this exact prompt, comment below. I've shared it with you. Once your starting image is ready, we move to the animation. For this, I use a tool called KAI. It gives free credits, which are more than enough to get started. Inside the platform, go to Kling 3.0 Motion Control. Then, remove any default content and upload your influencer image. After that, upload the reference reel video. Now, you can add a simple prompt if you want, but honestly, this tool is powerful enough even without it. Then, click Run. Now, watch this carefully. Within seconds, the AI starts generating your video. You can see there's natural motion, realistic expressions, and it follows the same movement as your reference video. So now, you can create unlimited content using these simple steps. Alright, now let's talk about how to make money from this. This is where many people get confused, but I'll explain it in a simple way. For this, we use a platform called Fanvue. Fanvue is designed specifically for creators, including AI creators, to monetize their content. So first, sign up on the platform. Then, click on Become a Creator. You'll answer a few basic questions like your country of residence and creator type. Since we're building an AI influencer, select AI Creator. Next, choose the type of content you want to create. Then, create a name and username for your influencer. A good name makes your influencer feel real and memorable, so choose something simple and catchy. After that, set your subscription price. This is how much people will pay to access your content. Don't overthink this part. You can always adjust it later as you grow, then continue. Now, here's something you must not skip. Make sure to confirm your email and complete the identity verification process. Without this, you won't be able to unlock full features or start earning. And here's the best part. If you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get access to a free course from Fanvue. This course shows you exactly how to grow and monetize your AI influencer step by step. Also, you'll keep 100% of your earnings for the first 7 days. That means no platform fees at all. So, if you're serious about this, don't miss that opportunity. Now, once your account is ready, you can start uploading your content. The videos we created earlier, you can post them directly. Just like Instagram or Facebook, it's simple and easy. And from there, you start building your audience. And honestly, right now, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money online using AI. But remember, this opportunity is still new, which means the earlier you start, the better your chances of success. If you want to begin, I've added everything you need in the description. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.